guys, it is back. The Ralliart is in lightning yellow right now, and it looks amazing. I'll do a little walk around and everything. I know it's a little dark, but I have another cool surprise that I was doing, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. So coming around the side right now, yes, the damage is still there on the side, but this is what I want to show you guys. Check out the wheel fitment. The wheel is now centered again. So we getting down here, that wheel is centered. So now since it's centered, I'll go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so now with this wheel being centered right here and everything, coming down here, I can now run bigger tires. Yeah, other than these little stretch tires that came on the JNC 017s, I can now run, I'm looking at going either 255 35s or maybe like 245, 45, 18s all around. But yeah, we're definitely getting on the right track of getting this car perfectly stanced. But other than that, coming around and everything, oh man, we are getting there. Everything is paint matched in lightning yellow. As you can see, it's a base coat, clear coat, and it looks great. Like, looking at it, it looks amazing. I am so very happy with everything, how everything came out. I still have to replace the reflectors, or not replace, but put in the reflectors that go right here, back here on the bumper, and I'll go ahead and do that maybe in the next video, only because I need some screw backings that go in the back of here. Yeah, basically that, or I'll just get some super long screws and run them to the rear frame. But yeah, I'll find out something to get those on to fill in this little gap right here on the bumper. And it's super cool. Obviously because of damage, my door is a little weird on this side, but looking at the body, it looks pretty darn good. But yeah, coming around the back here, this is the back. It's very nice. Some of you guys might not like yellow. Comment below if you actually like yellow on here, and it's looking great. And I'll show you guys the poke on it. Reflection looks amazing, and that's the poke, and it's gonna look even better when I run some actual meaty tires here. So yeah, and I'll give you guys one more good look and everything. And yeah, so next video I'll be installing the what do you call it? I'll be installing my side skirts, which are also paint matched. And yeah, and I'll go show you the side skirts in a sec. But yes, I now have the Evo 8 and 9 cluster, the ACD cluster and everything, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Looks a lot better. Like, so when you turn the key, it'll turn on and get that and everything. I'll go and focus to show you guys. But yeah, looks a lot better, and I'm very pleased with it. Very easy. It was only like 2 plugs in the back, but yeah, it looked really good. Yeah. And the only other thing I'll show you guys is my trunk lid spoiler that's going to be going on in a sec. Here we go. Alright guys, so let's come around. As you guys know, I'm not really going to run the what do you call it? The what am I saying? I'm not going to run the Evo 8, 9, 7 wing. I'm going to just run this trunk lid spoiler. It goes on similar like this. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but basically it goes on and it kind of plops on like this, and with some 3M, and it'll look basically like that and look really good. So I'll be adding that on, and yeah, it's gonna turn out really sick. Or I might just leave it wingless, honestly. I do like it without the wings. And oh man, something else I almost forgot to tell you guys. Let me show you. So coming here on the side and everything, the dog legs were fixed and repaired on here. I don't know if you guys remember, but old videos, these right here, I did not have these dog legs. So the ones I went and cut off, he went ahead and welded down and did body work to come down on them. And yeah, and it looks great, guys. It looks great. But yeah, that's pretty much all for the DIY Evo right now. And I will show you guys so just some you know, different angles, and yeah, we'll do a little cinematic for that. So let's do that while it's nice and dark. those some good little angles, and yeah, I'll go in and show you guys what's going on next for the channel and everything. Alright guys, excuse the mess in the garage, but these are the rocker panels or side skirts, whatever you want to call them, and yeah, they are also very well painted, nice and shiny and lightning yellow, and those will be going on as well and everything, so that's super exciting. And as far as the engine build, this is some stuff I want to show you guys. This right here is the G4JS head that goes on the or came on the Hyundai Sonata, Kia Optima, and Hyundai Santa Fe. And let me turn some light on for you guys. And there we go. Now we can see. And the Hyundai Santa Fe and everything. And yeah, this is the head that I will be putting on. I still need to swap the cam gears and cams and everything else, and it's gonna be running the Evo 8 intake manifold and full Evo 8 turbo kit. And yeah, this also right here, this crank is from Manly. I'll show you guys right here. If it focuses, there you go. It's a Manly crank and everything. It's for the Evo 8, but that will be going in the spare 4G69 block once it comes back from the machine shop. And yeah, and everything there. I also have some other stuff here. This is the old cluster. If anybody wants a Ralliart cluster, let me know in the comments and I'll sell it to you or whatever. Just some reflectors, Evo intake, Evo 8 fuel rail, some mud flaps that I'll most likely be putting on. And yeah. Hey guys, my wife is here, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this video, and she's about to go to the gym, and I gotta watch a baby, so yeah. Oh my goodness, he's short. And then look, oh man, I look like the Proud Family thing. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and everything, and yeah, please subscribe and like, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks.